How to unblock someone on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can unblock someone on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you happen to block someone and then you want to unblock them, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Messenger application. Once you launch the Messenger app, you will see this type of interface where what you have to do is just tap the three lines option located at the top left. Once you tap the three lines option, go to this gear icon, which is the settings option. Once you come to the settings option, what you want to do is just scroll down over here. You can see privacy and safety, so just make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on privacy and safety, right over here you will be able to find this option called blocked accounts. You can make sure to tap the blocked account section here, and once you tap on it, you will be able to simply go ahead and select a person that you've blocked and then successfully choose to unblock them if you'd like. That's all it takes to go ahead and unblock someone on Facebook or unblock someone on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.